Okay, so I'm proud of myself. Well, it wasn't that hard, but anywho, I have now working shower. Check this out. Alrighty, so we got the water coming down through there. There's a filtration system right there to filter out the water, make it nice and clean. I wouldn't drink it, but it'd be clean enough to take a shower. And what I did was, I got a little pump here that I hooked up. Right here, I'm gonna put a little slant roof on over top of this, like a little piece of tin, just to keep the rain from coming down on it hard. And then I'm gonna loop all this up, or I'll probably just shorten all this, because it doesn't need to be that long. It only needs to go from here to there. And then I plumbed it in here, right? I had to get a fitting there, and I had to get a fitting here. And then I wired it up. I'm gonna waterproof that. And then I got like a tractor battery, and I put it in there with a inline 7.5 amp fuse and a power switch. So now to start the shower, you flick the switch on. And of course, all of this will stay dry. It's in this box. And then the little diaphragm pump starts working. It pumps up into this little reservoir here. It heats up if you want it hot. There's batteries going here, and you can control the temperature. I have to hook up a gas line down here, and then however much water you want, minimum or maximum. And voila, we've got ourselves a shower out in the middle of nowhere. It's nice and cool right now, and there's air lines in the water, so it does that. After it gets all the air lines out, it'll stop doing that. But yeah, you can control this. You can change the type of shower you want coming on you, and you can even stop the water like this, right? The pump won't like that, but you can stop the water. Take a shower. I have a shower curtain that's gonna go in here. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But yeah, that's the coolest thing I've ever made outside, was a shower in the woods from a rain catch barrel. So I'm proud of myself. That pump says you can run it continuously for 30 minutes, and it pumps like, I think it said 1.7 gallons a minute. Yeah, 6.5 liters a minute. The pressure 0.9, whatever. I got a 7.5 amp fuse, 12 volt battery, power rated for 80 watts. So this should run a long time on that battery I have down there. But yeah, cool, right? Pretty neat. I'm excited about it. Hope you will be excited to be able to take a shower outside after you go for a hike, or go swimming in the reservoir, or get dirty in the woods. You can go in this here shower house and make yourself clean.